Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Welcome to this tutorial on how to add music to Instagram Notes. Instagram Notes, also known as captions or text-based posts, allow you to share your thoughts, ideas, or stories in a visually appealing format. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of adding music to your Instagram Notes. Before we start, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Then, launch the Instagram app on your device. You will be taken to your Instagram homepage. Next, at the upper right of your screen, tap on the messaging icon. It will take you to your messages. Here, you can see your messages, and on top of it is the notes. You can add your own note by tapping your profile with the plus button on top of it. Normally, there would be a music note right here. I will show you an example of what it looks like when you have it. The note or music icon right here is the button in which you can add the music to your notes. However, that's not what it looks like on our account. So instead, we will try to make it to appear by switching our account to a professional account and switch it back to a personal account. In order for us to do that, we just need to go back to the Instagram homepage. Tap the X button and then tap the left button. Now we are on the Instagram home feed. We need to go to our own Instagram profile. Located at the bottom right of your screen, you can see your profile there. Hit it. Next, we need to tap the three horizontal line at the upper right corner of your screen. Then, tap Settings and Privacy. We are on the Settings and Privacy page. Scroll down and find Account Type and Tools. Tap it. Now tap Switch to Professional Account. Now tap Continue 4 times. You can pick what you want in this selection. Since we are going to switch this one back to personal account, tap Creator and hit Next. Now once you've done all of this will appear. Just click X. We are back on our profile, and let's tap the three horizontal lines again. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now you will see here Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it. Then find Switch Account Type and hit it. Then select Switch to Personal Account. Now we will restart our Instagram app to see if the music note will appear. Now located at the top right corner, tap the messaging icon. From here, tap your profile. As you can see, it is still not there. It only works sometimes. Sadly, it didn't work this time. But don't worry, it might work for you. Now we can try another option. First, take a screenshot of your notes page where the music option should be but it does not appear. Then tap the X button to go back in the Instagram homepage. Now let's go to our own profile, like what we did before. Tap the three horizontal lines and tap the Settings and Privacy. Now you can see a search bar on the top. Hit it and type Help. Tap the Help button that just appeared. Now we will tap Report a Problem. Tap Report a Problem without shaking. Tap Don't Include and continue. Now find Upload. It is located at the top of your keyboard. Tap it and upload the screenshot you took earlier. After that, tap in the text field. Now here, you give a quick explanation of what's missing in your account, and then click the Send button. Now we wait for Instagram's response. And that's it. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching.